Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to calculate variance in Google Sheets step by step. So let's begin. See this simple variance and population variance. Example is equal VAR round first bracket and use sales number A2 clone A6 or use manually select range close round bracket, press enter and use population data. Apply the same process, just change extra p, press equal, press enter. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.